In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify to Amazon Alexa and set it as default music player. Before we start, make sure the Amazon Alexa app is on your iPhone or Android, you're signed into your Amazon account, and your Alexa-enabled speaker is online. Have your Spotify login handy. Open the Amazon Alexa app. If it's been a while, updating the app helps the menus match what you see here. From the home screen, tap More in the bottom bar, then tap Settings. This takes you to your account and device preferences. Scroll down and tap Music and Podcasts. Here you'll see the services Alexa can use for audio. Depending on your region, you might see different options here, and some may require a subscription. If Spotify appears in the list, tap it. If not, tap Link New Service and select Spotify. This tells Alexa which service you're adding. If you don't see Spotify at all, double check that your Alexa app is updated and try again. Tap Enable to use, then tap Link to Alexa. Sign into your Spotify account when prompted and confirm the permissions. Tap Agree to the terms, and when the link completes, tap Close. If you have more than one Spotify account, choose the one with your playlists and likes. With Spotify linked, set it as your default so you don't have to say the service name every time. Tap Choose Default Music Services and select Spotify as the default. If it doesn't stick right away, tap Change and pick Spotify again. You can revisit this area anytime if you want to switch services later. Let's test it. Say, Alexa, play music on Spotify. You can also try a favorite artist or playlist to be sure everything's working. If it plays from a different service, return to the default settings and confirm Spotify is selected. Once music is playing, volume and playback controls work hands-free with commands like Alexa Volume 5 or Alexa Pause. You're all set. From now on, when you ask Alexa to play music, it will use Spotify automatically, giving you quick access to your playlists, liked songs, and recommendations with a single voice command. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.